birthday today?
Yes.
Oh, happy birthday.
Happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
You're
Happy
10
birthday.
Yeah, 10 years old birthday. So would you like to first introduce yourself to us so that everyone will know you?
Okay. My name is Santiago. You can call me Hannah. And I am now 10 years old. I will present about nature art.
Okay, so if you are ready for your presentation, you can go ahead. You can go ahead, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, so this is your time.
Okay, nature art. I'm Hannah Santiago. I'm in grade 4, and I just turned 10 today. My favorite subjects are science and arts. I love to draw and paint. I also like to learn. I also like to learn nature, butterflies. I would like to talk about butterflies. How do butterflies get nectar? Butterflies have a long tongue called a proboscis, which they can curl and uncurl to drink through like a straw. Because of their straw-like mouth parts, butterflies are mainly restricted to a liquid diet. Butterflies use their proboscis to drink sweet nectar from flowers. How do butterflies fly? Rather than flapping up and down like birds, butterflies contract their bodies, making a slanted 8 pattern with their wings. As the butterfly's body contracts, their motion pushes air under their wings, effectively propelling it through the air. How do butterflies protect themselves? Some butterflies protect themselves through camouflage by folding up their wings. They reveal their undersides and blend in with their surroundings. Butterfly, the glowing caterpillar. Materials that I will use for this one is tissue paper, chopsticks or straw, markers for coloring, saucer or a shallow plate. I will focus on the video for that.
So do you want to show more to us or are you done with the presentation?
Yes, I will show you a video about what I made.
Okay, great.
Today we're going to make a growing caterpillar. The first step is we need tissue, markers if you like to color them, and a spoon, and a chopstick or a straw. And we have a water cup here. Now we'll need to roll it up, or you can color it. First, make sure you scrunch it up like this, but not too tight. Next, I can just put it up here. It's a plain one. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the video shows so many colorful caterpillars. So nice.
I've made it with my mom and sister.
And thank you for showing that with us. So I just wondered why you love butterflies so much. Is there some stories between you and the butterfly?
I'm interested with them because they're beautiful and very nice. and also how they live. But it may also be
Okay.
5.
Do you know butterflies' names? You know, each butterfly has a name. Do you know?
I know some. A cabbage butterfly is a white one. Next is, I forgot some. Could be monarch.
Yeah. Do you know there is a discipline called biomimicry, when we learn things from what happens in the nature? Is there something that you think we can learn from butterflies to implement in our lives?
I know a little about butterflies.
And do you have some future plans to continue your research on the butterfly?
Yes, but
Yeah. So what do you want to study further for this butterfly
I would like to
issue?
study about on nature and science. Oh, about butterflies? How they find a partner and lay eggs.
Other species.
That's it. Thank you.
Well,
Thank
if
you.
you research more about that, we would be very happy to see you to present that to us in coming gift, to show us how it lay eggs, for example, to find the partners. We are so, how to say, looking forward to your new research on butterfly.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank
I'll
you,
do
Hannah.
that.
I would like to ask you something, because Adriel is your sister, right?
Yes, but
So she is interested about plants, and you about butterflies. And
Yes.
do you see the butterflies in her garden or your garden?
Yes.
Yes,
A lot of them.
a lot of them. What kind of colors?
Cabbage butterfly is a white one. And the male is kind of brown and black with orange. Or could be blue. There are many butterflies in our garden.
Okay, so you have probably many flowers, I think, because they love flowers, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is amazing. Okay, Kusha.
Yeah, Kusha, I'm sorry. I will ask this question after you.
I don't have anything to say. It was a nice presentation. I really liked it.
Thank you.
The things that you made were good.
Yeah, thank you. I know that you leave this opportunity to ask to me. Thank you. So
Thank you.
I just wonder, did you ever see the home or the house of the butterfly? I never seen that before. So did you
I
ever
did.
find their homes?
Yes. I found the leaves buried in, I found their eggs buried in leaves.
Oh, really? I never see that. So if you will present in next gift or coming gift, would you also show that to us so that I can see how it looks like?
Yes.
Thank you. Because I always have this question. During the days with the sun shining, we can see butterflies. But when it rains, we never see butterflies in the garden. So where are they? So I always have this question. Where are their homes?
Could be in leaves or in high trees so people won't spot them.
So thank you for telling me this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.